It's really hard when you come to a stop and you want to go in neutral. I want to like move it around to check I'm in
The
neutral.
old salad bowl neutral, but can't do that with the sequential.
Yeah.
How's it going, YouTube? Today we are going to take out our Subaru BRZ. Now this does look very similar to our Scion FRS. They are not the same. Very similar, but not the same. This is still a FA20. It has not blown up yet.
I should have just popped it.
Knock on wood. But this is a car we have kind of a little special competition thing we're doing with it. I can't tell you just yet. But we have stuck my Hollinger SG3 sequential transmission in it. This is something Tiffany is going to be using in an event she has coming up, and she has no experience, by none I mean zero, of driving a sequential, and the car needs to be ready for next Monday. So today we're going to take the car out and teach Tiffany how to drive a sequential without ruining it.
All right, first off, I have drove a shifter card, so it should be the same realm, so I think I'll be okay, but I'm excited. I'm super stoked.
All right, why don't you give us a quick rundown on what this is, Tiffany?
This is the FA20, so it's pretty, well, there's some modifications, and that was done before we bought it.
Yep,
Yeah.
bolt-on E85,
Yeah.
200 horsepower, 200 torque, nothing crazy.
It needs cleaned. But we just got the livery done around it, and it looks really nice. Thank you, Office Sign Company. It looks amazing.
Walk around.
Yeah.
Office Sign Company, who obviously does all of our wraps, did this one for us in a bit of a rush, and it turned out amazing, like every other car they do for us. It is running a 9 Lives racing wing. These are not the wheels that are going on it. This has TN, I don't know how you say it, fancy coilovers on it, some other bolt-ons. Pretty decent little bolt-on car.
PRD, Palmer Racing Development, did our cage really quick for us, back half. We don't have a full one yet.
Yep, just had to have a back half for this competition. Dean got that done for us. Got a Kirky racing seat in it, some harnesses, and a racing wheel.
And a good old sequential in there.
And the good old affordable sequential. So.
Yeah, so.
All right, well, let's go out and take it for a drive.
Yep. All right, you ready?
Getting all buckled in.
I am. All right, so
I'm nervous, to say the least.
We're good. Neutral.
You're neutral. Yep.
All right, so how do you get in reverse?
Okay, so turn your headlights on, and then to get into reverse, you're going to clutch. So let the clutch out. Okay, now clutch in.
Okay.
Okay, now see if it'll go forward into reverse. Okay, if it doesn't go, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna put some pressure on the shifter.
With the clutch in?
Clutch in, put some pressure on the shifter, and then slowly let the clutch out a little bit until it pops, and then push the clutch back in.
Like putting pressure on it, slowly let the clutch out.
Just a little bit, but then you're gonna push it back in as soon as this clicks in.
Oh, that sounds horrible.
Okay, push it in. Yeah. Okay, so now let's see if it'll go in. Okay, let clutch out, clutch in.
Oh, it's one.
So when it doesn't go in, it's because the dog, so in a normal transmission you have little tiny teeth for the synchros. And the synchros have, we'll say they have 200 teeth, so you have 200 spots they can go in together. You only have 5 dogs. So when the dogs are hitting against each other, it won't go in. So you have to let out of the clutch so the transmission spins and puts the dogs in a different spot.
It's dark out, so. Okay, and then so if I want to go in neutral, I just go back one.
Yep.
How do you know you're neutral? Because our indicator. We do have an indicator light.
Don't pull on it. All right, so did you pull that already?
Yeah, once.
So you're in. So you should be in neutral. Let's clutch out slow and see. All right.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Perfect. All right, let's go.
All right, we have successfully backed out of the driveway. All right, so one pull straight back. Okay.
It didn't feel like anything.
You're good. You're in.
Oh, I'm gonna kill it. Lights.
Let the clutch out.
It's not bad.
As per our usual vehicles, this car is very loud, and the transmission does not help.
So clutch in like a regular,
Yep.
obviously. All right. Second. How do I? Do I clutch
Just
it?
clutch in, drive it normal now. Just one hard pull back.
Oh my god. Sounds like it's breaking.
It's aggressive.
All right, so pulling up to the light. I need to.
Nope, just come, slow down, clutch in. One push forward. Good.
Oh my god. Sounds like it's like breaking things. All right. All right, we're almost on a main street.
All right, so forward into neutral. Okay,
That doesn't even feel
that's
like
it.
Why isn't it?
So you have to, when you're going to neutral, you're disengaging all the dogs. So there's no feeling in neutral. That's how you know you're in neutral.
That's good.
I mean, we have a readout here that will eventually work, but I have to get the calibration from Hollinger. It's been a minute since I've had it set up.
Yeah, did we say what it was?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, we're gonna try to take it to an open road in Mexico.
So you gotta give
Right.
it a little bit more gas and let the clutch out a little more aggressive. Doesn't burn the clutch so much. The first gear in this is quite a bit longer than a normal transmission, so that's why it's harder to get going.
Drop the clutch faster. More gas.
Just be a little more aggressive. Less like a street car.
Okay.
Straight back. Okay. Much better. Down one gear. So everything you do with this needs to be aggressive. You're kind of just gently pulling it. You'll end up getting halfway in the middle of a gear, and that's what breaks the transmission. So very aggressive. Everything you do is aggressive. Not like little. We're not picking up China dolls.
Just push it forward.
Okay, so just give it a little.
Clutch in when I do.
Yeah, clutch in, rev match, and one down.
You guys must do it at the same time. This is nerve-wracking. And then, alright, that was aggressive.
Not kind of, but both. You need more than that.
Should I get off? Go.
No, just go straight. Stay on dodge.
Okay, it feels smoother when you like wing it. Alright, I get it. That's okay. That's the hardest thing, is coming up to a stoplight.
All right, we're gonna do a
That one.
U-turn, and Tiff's gonna bang off a couple gears, hopefully, without killing us.
Yeah, it's really hard when you come to a stop and you want to go neutral. I want to like move it around to check I'm in
The
neutral.
old salad bowl neutral, but can't do that with the sequential.
Yeah, yeah. And then I gotta always remember first is back.
Yep. So clutch in, put it in first now, and just keep clutched in. There you go.
I think that was first. All right, and I'm doing a UE.
Yep.
Ready?
Go.
I have to be so aggressive with it.
So you understand what I'm saying? You gotta really, but you can pull it as fast as you can shift. Kick the clutch and pull it. You can shift twice as fast as an H pattern.
It's in neutral.
Yep.
Ooh, I'm getting used to that. Woo. Yeah, that was fun. You just have to be super aggressive. It feels like you're
First. Okay.
Oh, is it?
Nope. Okay, now hold on. Clutch in. Now hard pull. There you go.
Can't be smooth about it at all.
No, there's nothing smooth about a sequential transmission.
God, it's so quick now.
what you think.
I really like it. It's really fun. That I could get spoiled doing that.
You're rolling away.
Am I? Oh my god. Do I have room back there?
You sure? Yeah, I mean the garage door's gonna chop the back of the car off.
You're right. Push it.
No, you're good. You're good.
Okay.
Put the e-brake on.
All right. That was fun. That's a lot of fun.
So you see why they're so
so much
expensive.
fun. Yeah. Yeah. It just, gosh, that would be so much faster if we could race with sequentials. Man. Just feels like you're breaking it the entire time though. Like,
So keep in mind, men, if you want your women to let you buy a sequential, just let them drive it so they can understand why they're so expensive. But they're fantastic, right,
they're
Tiffany?
fantastic. They're fantastic.
Yeah.
That's how you get your wife to let you buy one, or girlfriend, or whatever. Just let her drive one. Man, gosh, that was so much fun.
So we'll have a lot more in the future with this car. Like I said, it's kind of leaving for competition next week that we can't tell you what it is just yet. But when it gets back, we'll have a lot more going on with this car and a lot more videos to come.
Yeah.
So my hat, it is 15 degrees outside. So when you live in the Midwest and it's wintertime, you wear this hat. I don't care what you think it looks like. It's fantastic. All right, Tiffany?
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you. Thanks.
Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.